Good morning children. Today we'll learn how to make Rakhis. So here I have some samples for you. Here maybe your favorite cartoon character, your favorite food, animals, flower. So today I'm going to teach you one butterfly, and all these Rakhis are done with same technique, that is first you will draw and then you have to cut and paste. Okay, so I'll explain you one Rakhi. So I'm using glitter sheets for this. You have got these sheets in your stationery, so I'm using this. Okay, so first of all what I'll do, I'll take out a rectangle piece for butterfly wing. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to fold it into two equal halves, and this should be, suppose this is the shiny portion, so I'll draw the wings of the butterfly over here so that this pencil mark will not be visible. So you will draw at the back. Okay, see, like this, kind of a heart shape, and then you will cut it like this. It's very simple. And children, for cutting you will take help from your elders. You have to sit in front of them. If you know how to use scissors, then only you will cut. Otherwise you can draw and someone who's sitting with you, they'll cut it for you. And then what I'll do, these are the wings, and then I'll make the body. For body you have to make one oval shape, a big oval. See, like this. Very slowly and carefully you have to cut. Now this is also ready. Now what I'll do, I'll decorate this wings with maybe any color you can take. I'm using red, so whatever colors are available to you, you can use those colors. Okay, and now I'm drawing a circle here like this, and then I'm folding this into two so that I'll get two circles. Very slowly and carefully you have to use scissors. First you will cut everything and then you will paste. Okay, see. Now glue is required. So what I'll do, I'll take this strip and I'll make antennas also for the butterfly. Like this, very thin strip you have to cut. See, like this. Now what I'll do, I'll paste everything. Put some glue here. At the back you have to put some glue like this. Take some glue and then we'll paste the antennas like this, both the sides. And children, if you will use this Fevicol now, so it will take little time to stick. Okay, so you have to be patient. Stick this and leave it for some time. Okay, so now this butterfly is ready. Now you can use a sketch pen or some other pen for making eyes. Here what I'll do, I'll make eyes also. Okay, and then what we'll do, we'll make a small smiley like this, and this also I'll paste. This is little big, so I'll just cut the edges for you. And if you want, you can make it with sketch pen also. It's not compulsory to paste this sheet. If you want, you can paste a sheet, or else you can do it with the sketch pen also. See, now what you have to do after this, if you have a thread or string, you can use that. Otherwise, you can put this string also. Apply some glue and put a string. Got it? It's very, very simple, children. It should be your effort. You have to make this, but you can take little help from your parents. Okay, thank you, children. God bless you.